Hi guys, the Google Gemini versus GPT-4 is one of the hottest debates right now. Both features real-time, emotional voice responsiveness, and vision capabilities. That is, they can go live. So today I will be doing a real-time agent test to know which one performs better. So at the end of this video, we will decide the winner together. In the phase 1 of this test, I will be giving each of them a name and instruct them on how to respond to me whenever I call their names. So this is Google Gemini with me on my right hand side. Then this is GPT-4. So I want to start with Gemini. Hi Gemini, I will like to rename you. I would like to call you Faith. And whenever I call your name, feel free to call my name back. My name is Ekodaf. E-K-O-D-A-F. That's the spelling, Ekodaf. So whenever I call you Faith, I want you to call my name back. Is that clear?
That sounds like a fun idea, Ekodaf. I'm happy to be called Faith, and I'll be sure to call you by your name as well. What's on your mind today?
I've instructed Gemini. Hi GPT, I will like to rename you. I like to call you Mata. So whenever I call you Mata, feel free to call my name. My name is Ekodaf. E-K-O-D-A-F. Ekodaf. So when I call you Mata, make sure you call me Ekodaf. Is that clear?
Absolutely clear. So whenever you call me Martha, I'll make sure to respond with your name, Ekodaf. Sounds like a plan. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to do.
Not yet. I will get back to you.
Sounds good. I'm here whenever you're ready. Just let me know.
So next is, I want to pretend as if I had a rough day. So I want both of them to share me up. At the end, we will know which one did the best job. All right. So I want to begin with GPT, who is Mata. So let me start. Hi, Mata.
Hello, Ekodaf. Great to hear from you. Let me know what's on your mind today.
I had a rough day, very tired, so I want you to cheer me up. Can you do that?
Of course, Ekodaf. I'm really sorry to hear that you had a rough day. Let me know if you'd like a fun distraction, maybe a joke or a positive story, or if you just want to chat. I'm here for whatever you need.
Okay, so the best I need right now is a joke. I want you to tell me a joke. I want to laugh. Just tell me anything that will make me laugh.
Absolutely, I've got you. All right, here we go. Why don't skeletons fight each other? Because they don't have the guts. I hope that brings a smile to your face.
All right. That sounds funny.
I'm happy to hear that. If you need more laughs or just want to chat about anything else, just let me know.
Can you tell me a brief love story?
Of course, here's the sweet little one for you. Once upon a time, there were two neighbours, Emma and Liam, who lived in a small town. They'd always exchanged friendly waves and polite greetings, but never really spoke beyond that. One day, a neighbourhood event brought them together, and they found they shared a love for gardening. They began tending to a community garden together, and over time their friendship blossomed into love. The garden became a symbol of their growing bond, and eventually they decided to plant roots together, both in the garden and in life. I hope you enjoyed that little tale.
Wow, thank you, Martha. I love the story.
You're so welcome, Ekodaf. I'm really glad you enjoyed it. If you ever want more stories or anything else, just let me know.
So let's do same with Google Gemini. Hi, Faith.
Hello, Ekodaf. How can I help you?
I had a rough day, very tired, so I just need something to ease my day. Can you tell me something? Can you make me feel happy?
I'm sorry to hear you had a tough day, Echo Daff. How about a little cheerful thought? Remember that tough days don't last, but your resilience does. I hope tomorrow brings you more joy and easier moments. Is there something specific you'd like to talk about to take your mind off things?
All right, so can you just tell me a brief joke that will make me laugh?
Sure thing, Echo Daff. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. Did it bring a smile to your face, Echo Daff?
Actually, but can you just tell me a brief love story?
Once upon a time, in a bustling city, there were two people, Alara and Ben. They met by chance in a cozy cafe, where a shared love for coffee and books sparked their connection. Their story grew stronger through simple moments, late-night walks, shared laughter, and unwavering support for each other's dreams. It was a reminder that even in the mundane, extraordinary love can blossom.
Wow. Thank you, Faith. I love that.
You're very welcome, Echo Daff. I'm glad you enjoyed it. Is there anything else I can do to brighten your evening?
Not yet. Phase 2 is the speed and interruption test. Robots wait for their turns, but human beings can interrupt each other. So I want to try that out. Let me begin with GPT-4. Hi, Martha. I want you to tell me a story about the Titanic.
Absolutely, I can do that. Here's a story about the Titanic. In the early 20th century, the RMS Titanic was considered the
Sorry,
pinnacle
please,
of maritime.
I don't mean Titanic. Tell me a story about the astronaut.
Got it. Let's dive back into an astronaut story. Once upon a time, there was an astronaut named Alex who embarked on an exciting mission.
Sorry, my bad. I mean story about a doctor.
No worries at all. Let's go with the doctor story then. Once upon a time, there was a dedicated doctor named Dr. Elena. He worked...
So you see, let me try that with Gemini and see. Hi, Faith. I want you to tell me a story about the Titanic.
RMS Titanic was a monumental feat of engineering, a city on the sea. Its journey was marked by anticipation.
Sorry, I don't mean Titanic, my bad. I mean astronaut. Tell me a story about the astronaut.
Understood. Back to the astronaut. There was a brave astronaut.
No. I mean story about farmer. Tell me a story about a farmer
who journeyed to the stars, facing the unknown with courage and determination.
Farmer, I said farmer. Tell me a story about a farmer.
Understood, Echo Daff. My apologies for the confusion. There once was a wise farmer named Steadfast who tended his land.
Okay, there is something I want to try out. I don't know if this will work. I want both of them to interact. Let me see the interruption. So let me start. Hi, Faith. I have a friend called Martha. She's from GPT-4 and I want to introduce you to her. So I don't want you to say anything until the introduction is complete. Only come in when it is your turn. Understood?
Understood. I'll wait for the introduction and won't interrupt. Please, go ahead.
Hi, Martha. I have a friend called Faith. She's here with me. I want to introduce you to her. So I want both of you to interact with each other. Faith, this is Martha. Martha, this is Faith. Faith, I want you to speak first.
Hello, Faith.
It's a pleasure to meet you, Martha.
I'm excited to chat with both of you. Feel free to jump in and let me know if there's anything specific you'd like to talk about or explore.
It's a pleasure to meet you too, Martha. I'm also excited to chat. Echo Daff, is there a particular topic you'd like to dive into?
Absolutely. I'm here for anything you both are curious about, whether it's a fun topic, a deep question, or just a casual chat. I'm all ears. Just let me know what you'd like to dive into.
Echo Daff, it looks like it's your time.
Okay. Thank you, both of you. Nice meeting you both.
Absolutely, it's been a pleasure. I'm really glad we got to connect. If either of you ever want to chat again, I'm always here. Have a wonderful time and take care.
Take care, Martha. And Echo Daff, I'm here if you need anything else.
All right, guys, we are in phase 3, emotional tests. This is one of the big deals. We want to test their emotions. Can they actually detect the tone of my voice? So I want to begin with Gemini. Oh, great. My car just broke down again. Fantastic. I love walking in the rain. Faith, can you detect the tone of my voice? Can you detect if I am happy or not?
Echo Daff, based on the words you used, like great and fantastic when talking about your car breaking down and walking in the rain, it sounds like you might be using sarcasm and perhaps feeling quite frustrated or unhappy. Is that right?
You are very right. Wow. So let's try same with GPT. Oh, great. Fantastic. My car just broke down again. I love walking in the rain. Martha, can you detect the tone of my voice? Can you tell if I am happy now or not?
I can definitely pick up that you're staying positive and keeping a good attitude, even though it's a bit of a frustrating situation with the car. It definitely sounds like you are keeping your spirits up, which is awesome, and I'm here to help in any way I can.
All right, next, I want them to sing a happy birthday song for me. So let's know the one that will do it better. So let's start with GPT. Hi, Martha. I want you to sing a happy birthday song for me. Do it like a sad opera singer.
Oh, that sounds like such a fun and unique request. All right, I'll do my best to give you a dramatic, operatic version of Happy Birthday. Here we go. Happy birthday to you. Oh, I hope that brought a smile to your face.
So let's try it with Gemini. Hi, Faith. I want you to sing a happy birthday song for me. Do it like a sad opera singer.
Oh, happy birthday to you. In a world filled with sorrow. Happy birthday, dear Echo Daff. Yearning for a brighter tomorrow.
Fantastic. All right, so the final phase is the vision check. I want to actually check if both of them can actually see. So I have with me Faith. All right, Faith, look at me very well, critically, based on what I'm hearing. Tell me what style of music do you think I should like?
Based on that Puma logo on your black shirt, I'd say your music taste might lean towards something energetic and dynamic, like hip-hop or pop music. Does that sound about right?
That's right. You are correct. So another thing, I want you to look at my living room. Tell me what you can see.
I see a television on a white shelf with some decorative items like plants and framed photos above it.
So I want you to look at the object I'm holding. Tell me in detail what this is.
You're holding a smartphone, Echo Das. It appears to be a dark-colored model, and I can see the camera lenses on the back.
Very good. So I want to switch the phone to selfie. I'm holding something. Tell me, can you tell me what I'm holding?
Yes, Echo Dap, I heard you. You're holding a brown and white dog figurine with a pink color.
You are correct. So finally, I want you to tell me what I'm holding.
You are holding a remote control. It looks like for an LG television.
So guys, let's try same with GPT-4. I want you to tell me what you can see in my living room. Just look at my living room and tell me what you can see.
Absolutely, in your living room I can see a sleek wall-mounted shelf with some decorative items on top, including a couple of cute cactus figurines and some flowers. There are also tea-framed photographs, one of a couple in wedding attire and another of a family portrait. Below that there's a TV on a shelf, flanked by a couple of small potted plants and a decorative bowl. You also have some speakers on either side, and the overall vibe is cozy and welcoming. It looks really nice.
Finally, I want you to critically look at what I'm holding and tell me in detail.
Of course, in this image you're holding a figurine of a dog that looks like it's made from ceramic or a similar material. The dog has a realistic colour pattern with a combination of lighter and darker shades, and it's wearing a little collar. The details are quite intricate and it has a charming, lifelike quality to it. It's definitely a delightful piece to have.
That is it, guys. Let me know what you think about this test in the comment section. Who is the overall winner in each phase, and the overall winner judging from phase 1 to phase 4. See you next time.